Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to hide columns in Google Sheet. Why would you want to know how to hide columns in Google Sheets? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Sheets and not sure how to hide columns in Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to hide columns in Google Sheet. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Hiding columns in Google Sheet is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for iOS and Android devices. Let me show how you will hide columns in Google Sheets. First of all, open Google Sheets app in your mobile phone and then select any sheet you want to edit. Now I will choose that sheets. Now here are few columns in my Google Sheets. Now if you want to delete any column, just hold that column like this and then click on three dots. Now just swipe and then click on hide columns, and that column has been hidden in your Google Sheets. So there you go. If you were wondering how to hide columns in Google Sheets, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.